Hi, this is Srinivas Reddy Pairala. Now we'll discuss about ACI Diploma Certificate, which is conducted by ACI Financial Market Association. Uh, After completing ACI Diploma, we can use the designation called Certified Market Professional given by ACI France. See, this is a screenshot of marks test score after completing ACI Diploma, new version. It's like there are five parts. We have to get at least 50% in each part, and overall we should get 60% of our combined to all parts so that we can get pass and will be awarded AC diploma new certificate. And this is my recent certification, AC diploma certified marketing professional, which is a trademark registered in European. And the pattern is like there are 100 questions you have to solve, you have to answer in 180 minutes, and each part has different number of questions like 10, 16, 26, 38, and 10 questions, and we should get 50% marks in each part like 5, 8, 13, 19, 5, and overall we should get 60% so that we'll get the ACA diploma certificate. And there are no negative marking or any penalty for wrong answers, and there are 36 questions approximately which are calculation based. We may use any financial calculator like HEP 12C or Texas BA2. And these five parts are like financial market environment, foreign exchange rates, fixed income currency and commodity derivatives, and financial markets applications. In first and fifth one are both has only theory questions, 10, 10 each. And these are the must materials or must books which are required for this exam, like syllabus. This is available on this ACFMA website. Syllabus is a must, like there are, you should be aware of all the each and every word of the syllabus so that we can be accustomed to these terms, terminology, and what are the syllabus we have to cover for this exam. And sample questions, it is also available on this website. Like if we solve these sample questions, we'll get some idea like how the exam, the real exam might be. And this Mastering Financial Calculations by Bob Steiner, this is a must book for this exam. Like if you thoroughly practice this Mastering Financial Calculations, you will get at least 50% marks only with this book. And finally, googling the syllabus, because we don't have any official guide till now that we can refer for this ACA diploma exam. So we had to by heart the syllabus, and we had to Google it each and every word or each phrase so that we can get some knowledge which is required for this exam. And these are reference books. If you follow all the reference books, you will get at least 80% of marks in this exam. And during exam, they will provide some basic formula sheet, which is also available in website. They will provide the prints, and we can refer them while exam. And we can use any financial calculator like HB12C or Texas BA2, and some other calculation versions are they mentioned. It is available on ACFMA website. And these are the small tips. Like as there is no any official study guide for this exam, we have to prepare our own notes, our own material for this entire syllabus. So we had to by heart the entire syllabus, and able to find out the words, the terminology wherever we see about finance book or website, so that we can get, yes, this is there in that syllabus. And this book is at any cost we should complete before going to exam. That is Mastering Financial Calculations by Bob Steiner. You can get this book at general library also. And to get accustomed to these terminology and new words, we should refer all these previous reference books. We can study glossary or formulas or problems, calculations. they will give some, each chapter has some examples how to solve some forex rates or any derivative calculations, option pricings, and this is the thing. And all the best for your examinations. Thank you.